Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Nginx Proxy Manager for VPS routing rules step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the IP address of your VPS, followed by the port number for Nginx Proxy Manager. Typically, this is port 81. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Nginx Proxy Manager interface. You should see the login page appear on your screen. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password. Make sure the credentials are correct to avoid login issues. Once entered, click the Login button to proceed. Wait for the dashboard to load fully. You will now be on the main page of Nginx Proxy Manager. From here, navigate to the Hosts section in the sidebar. Click on Proxy Hosts to view current routing rules. To create a new rule, select the Add Proxy Host button. Enter the domain name you wish to route. Specify the scheme, either HTTP or HTTPS. Fill in the IP address of the destination server. Include the port number as well. You can enable the Block Common Exploits option for added security. Optionally, you may need to set up SSL if using HTTPS. If so, choose the SSL tab and select Request a new SSL certificate. Enter your email address for SSL notification. Check the box to agree to the Let's Encrypt terms of service. Click Save to create the routing rule. Wait for a confirmation message that your rule has been added successfully. You can then view and manage all configured routing rules from this dashboard. To finalize, test your new rule by entering the domain into your browser's address bar. This completes the login process and setup for Nginx Proxy Manager on your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.